Hey, good morning, YouTube family. Mike Jones here, back with another Webull portfolio update. And as you can see, we've actually gained some money today. We're up about, I would say, roughly $100. And I'm not sure what exactly it is from. It looks like it's from Tesla. Tesla gained a little bit of money today, which is absolutely phenomenal. But as you can see, the rest of our portfolio is actually doing pretty well as well. The only thing that's really down right now is Wkhs Group, which is down dramatically with $28.22 loss. But this gives us a great opportunity to go ahead and buy in. Now with Tesla, there's also another opportunity to buy in because we know that it'll get back to that 880 price that it was at. I could see Tesla getting back to $1,000 per share. But with that said, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And I will definitely see you in the next one. Thank you and God bless.